Okay, so here I have a 2012 Volvo S80 T6, and I'm gonna very quick explain how to replace the hood release line cable. I tried to find any information on YouTube and I couldn't find anything, so here it is. So first thing what I did, I removed the air filter. So all I did is pulled it right there, and then of course there's a screwdriver, is a clamp right here. I removed the clamp, I unplugged the airflow sensor, and then I pulled it up. So I removed the air filter box out of the way. Now we see the cable. Okay, so I removed the cover for the battery right here, and the second one too right there. So I think I'm not going to touch the battery, so the cable goes right here inside of the car. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull it from this way, and inside the car all has to be done. It's at 8mm bolt right here. So this is the handle, and then that bolt right there. So I unscrew that one, and the cable line is right there. So all I do is pull it from inside of the car, from engine bay. So here, right here, we're gonna pull it. So we have a cable right here, and all I'm gonna do right now is unhooked in there. So I'm gonna pull it out just like that. So we have it out. Now I have to fit that plastic through the hole in the battery box. We'll see if I can do that. And right now what I also did, I pulled the grill. I'm gonna try not to remove the bumper. So here are the locks. I'm gonna remove now 2 of the locks, and there are 2 pins that need to be pushed inside right here, right, just like that. They hold the cable to the radiator support, and then that goes down. Okay, just like that. See? Just like that. Okay. Yeah. And 2 of them like that. Push them in. It's unhooked in there. Now I'm gonna get a small ratchet, 1/4 inch, and it's 8mm. So I'm gonna remove 2 of them there and 2 there, and I'm gonna unhook the cable and put the new one. So right now I'm gonna get the ratchet and I'm gonna continue. Okay, so here's the ratchet that I'm using. It's a little one, just like that. I got it at AutoZone, and I'm gonna remove these locks. you might have to remove horns to do that. I think it will be better to remove these, as there's not much room there. Okay, so I removed the old line, so I had to remove 2 locks and the safety latch. And now also what I did, I split here the box from the battery, and I slide the cable out, and then I remove the headlight, so I have more room right here. So right now I'm ready to install the new line, and yeah, not too bad. Okay, so the line is in. I installed the grill, just pushed it in. The headlight is all done.